Hey guys, welcome to Quizzer Academy.
Nature isn't just beautiful. It's mathematical, mysterious, and downright mind-blowing. In this quiz, you'll see incredible patterns from the natural world. Before starting, please subscribe our channel and hit that bell icon. Let's start. Does the sunflower seed pattern follow the Fibonacci sequence? Sunflowers arrange seeds in spirals that match Fibonacci numbers for maximum packing efficiency. Do honeybees build their hives in perfect squares? Bees use hexagons, the most efficient shape for storing honey with minimal wax. Can lightning create glass-like tubes underground? These are fulgurites. Lightning melts sand into branching glass shapes. Do snowflakes always have 6 sides? Water molecules bond at 60-degree angles, creating 6-fold symmetry. Is a spiderweb's shape random? Orb weavers follow precise geometric rules when spinning webs. Do pine cones spiral according to Fibonacci numbers? Their scales follow Fibonacci spirals for optimal seed packing. Is a rainbow shape always a perfect semicircle? It's a full circle. The ground just blocks the bottom half. Are sunflower seed spirals identical in all sunflowers? Spiral numbers vary with genetics and growth conditions. Can dessert plants arrange themselves in evenly spaced patterns without human help? In fairy circles of Namibia and Australia, plants self-organize for water access, creating perfect spacing. Do most snowflakes look identical to each other? Each snowflake has a unique growth history, so their patterns differ. Can crystals grow in perfect cubes naturally? Salt, halite, and pyrite form cube-shaped crystals due to their atomic structure. Do tree branches always grow in a perfectly symmetrical pattern? They follow fractal-like rules, but adapt to light and space. Can sound waves create visible geometric shapes in water? Cymatics shows sound vibrations forming intricate patterns in liquids. Do all planets orbit the sun in perfect circles? Their orbits are ellipses, discovered by Johannes Kepler. Can minerals grow in star-shaped forms naturally? Stibnite and snowflakes can naturally form star-like structures. Does coral grow following a strict hexagonal pattern? Petals have different growth patterns unrelated to seed spirals. Do pine trees grow their branches in perfect upward spirals? They follow spiral tendencies but adapt to weather and light. Can sand dunes form perfect geometric polygons? While dunes can form parallel and crescent shapes, true polygons are rare and usually caused by dried mud cracks. Have scientists found fractal patterns in clouds? Satellite images show coastlines of clouds breaking into repeating fractal edges. Can slime mold solve a maze by forming efficient paths? Slime mold grows in branching networks that mimic optimal transport geometry. Do all spider webs have perfect radial symmetry? Many species make asymmetric or messy webs, depending on prey type and environment. Has anyone found naturally occurring Penrose tiling in minerals? Quasicrystals discovered in Russia exhibit non-repeating Penrose-like geometry. Quasicrystals discovered in Russia exhibit non-repeating Penrose-like geometry. They form cosmic web structures with filaments and voids, resembling 3D geometry. Are there naturally occurring perfect spheres in nature? Spherical boulders like New Zealand's Moeraki stones form by concretion processes. Has a mathematical pattern been found in earthquake distributions? Earthquake clusters follow fractal spatial distributions. So how much did you got right? Share your score in comments. And don't forget, we are dropping weekly quizzes that unlock epic knowledge and challenge what you think you know. So hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell to stay ahead of the mystery curve.